Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and you are watching my channel Math with Sir Asim. Student, in last lecture we did one question from past papers of circular measure. Today we are going to do one more question of the same topic. This question appeared October-November 2012 paper 1-3 and the question is, the diagram shows four straight lines AD, BC, AC and BD. Lines AC and BD intersect at O such that angle AOB is pi by 6 radians. AB is an arc of the circle center O and radius 10 centimeter, and CD is an arc of the circle center O and radius 20 centimeter. Find the perimeter ABCD. So perimeter means find the length of all the sides AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So first we have to write the setting of the perimeter, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. The second thing is how to find AB. AB is an arc length. So arc length AB. What is the formula of arc length? The formula of arc length is r theta. R, radius. Here radius is 10 and the angle is pi by 6. So 10 multiplied by pi by 6 is 5 pi by 3. The second thing is to find the arc length CD. There are two arc lengths in this shape. So arc length CD. The formula of arc length is r theta. Here radius is 20 multiplied by the angle. What is the angle? As you know, in this question the line AC and DB are intersect at point O, and the concept of geometry says the vertically opposite angles are equal. So if angle AOB is pi by 6, then angle COD is also pi by 6. Therefore, the arc length CD is r 20 multiplied by theta, which is pi by 6. Simplify it. 20 into pi by 6 is 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3. Now we have to find the length of CD. The length of AD. How to find the length of AD? If we consider the triangle AOD and if we apply the cosine rule on this triangle AOD, it will give you the length of AD. But before I apply cosine rule, we must have the angle AOD. How to find angle AOD? You know, the total angle in a straight line is pi. So angle AOD must be pi minus pi by 6. So it is 5 pi by 6. So angle AOD is 5 pi by 6. Now apply the cosine rule. AD square is equals to first side square, that is 10, square plus second side square, that is 20 square, minus 2 from the formula, multiply by first side 10, multiply by second side 20, into cos angle 5 pi by 6. So AD square is, use calculator, and your calculator must be in radian mode, 846.41. 846.41. Now taking square root of 846.41 will give you 29.093. 29.093. Now we have find the side AB, the side BC or AD, the side CD. So what you can say about the side AD and BC? They both are same. Why? Because the angle AOD is 5 pi by 6. The angle BOC is also 5 pi by 6. And the sides are also same, 10 and 20. So if you apply cosine rule to find the side BC, you will get same answer, that is 29.093. Hence, the perimeter of A, B, CD is equals to, AB is 5 pi by 3 plus CD is 10 pi by 3 plus AB 29.093 plus AD is 29.03 and BC is also 29.03, because both the lengths are same. Use your calculator to write the final answer, which is 73.894. 73.894 centimeter. This is the answer of part number 1. Perimeter of ABCD. Hope you understand the whole part number 1. Now see the next part. Find the area of ABCD. So again, first we have to make setting. In order to find the area of ABCD, we have to split this whole shape in 4 parts. Number 1, we are doing part number 2. First, write area of sector AOB plus area of sector COD plus area of triangle AOD area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOC. Area of triangle BOC. So these are four parts. First, we have to find the area of sector AOB. What is the formula of area of sector? Half into radius square into theta. The radius is 10 and theta is pi by 6. So 10 square into pi by 6. The answer is 26.18. Now, area of sector COD. Sector COT. 1/2 into radius square. The radius is 20. 20 square. Angle is same. That is pi by 6. The answer is 104.72. Area of triangle. The third part. Area of triangle AOD. AOD. The area of triangle is half into first side, that is 10, into second side, that is 20, and sine of the angle. What is the angle? AOD. You can see in the diagram, angle AOD is 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. The final answer is 100. The last part. Area of triangle BOC. As you can see, the triangle AOD and the triangle BOC are same. Why? Because the sides are same and the angles are same. Therefore, the answer of area of triangle BOC is just right, the area of triangle AOD. That is so. Hence, the final answer is area of ABCD is equals to 26.18 plus 104.72 plus 100 plus 100. This will give you the final answer, that is 231 cm square. Hope you understand and enjoy the whole part and the whole question. So this is our today's class, where we did one more question, and this question came in October-November 2012, paper 1-3, question number 9. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and wherever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my video, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for